With insurance journals, you can link fixed assets to insurance policies in your organization. So let's now see how we can use this in Dynamics 365 Business Central. So first I'm going to navigate to my fixed assets. And if I, for example, take a look at my conveyor belt fixed asset, I see that it has a book value of 5,600. But if I scroll down to the maintenance fast tab and I check the field insured, I can see that it is not insured currently, meaning that our conveyor belt is not insured with, for example, machinery insurance. And we want to link our conveyor belt to machinery insurance. To do this, it's easy to do it with Insurance Journal. So let's go back to Tell Me and search for Insurance Journal and select Fixed Assets Insurance Journal. Okay, let's expand the window a little bit and let's select, for example, posting date today. In insurance number, we are going to select our machinery insurance, and in a fixed asset number, we are going to select our conveyor belt. Amount that we want to insure is the amount of our value, so 5,600. And now I can also optionally add department and customer group code as a dimensions. And that's pretty much it. Next step is to post the journal. And be aware that Insurance Journal will never post to General Ledger. So there is no connection between GL and insurance. It will only create insurance coverage ledger entries. So let's see this. So now I select a post and I will post the journal lines. My lines are successfully posted. And if I go back and search for insurance policies and take a look at my machinery, and I will select statistics, I see that now I have a second insured fixed asset, which is my fixed asset conveyor belt, and I have this inside insurance coverage ledger entries. So this is how you can link your fixed asset with insurance policies.